So I am trying to make progress in rebuilding my life after brain injury. So I'm recovering somewhat from my injury, but I've lost my memory entirely. So I'm trying to build a picture of myself again by taking whatever memories I have, all my current thoughts, and listing them down so I can start to understand myself. I'm thinking of my favourite food, my favourite music, my favourite films, things like that. I need to rebuild a picture of myself. I need to understand what I'm about. And there's a lot of work, and I'm trying to get organized with it. It's not easy.